Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video let's learn about how to log into WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first let's get into WhatsApp app. So here it is. And click on agree and continue. Enter your phone number and click on next. And click on continue for the verification. Now enter the verification code and click on continue. Now click on continue to back up your previous file. Now enter your name. So now we are in WhatsApp interface. So this is all we need to do to log into WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.